Hujambo, goedemorgen, salamat. Today I'm going to show you how to make these flaxseed crackers. Very quick, well, active time very quick, definitely very easy, and with so much advantages. To make the flaxseed crackers, you will need flax seeds, also known as linseeds. The brown ones are the ones most commonly found in our area, but I do like to add a few golden flax seeds for no other reason than it looks prettier if everything is not the same color. Then water and any flavorings that you would like. This can include herbs, salts, dried powders of vegetables, soya sauce, whatever you would like your flaxseed crackers to be. They can also be plain. You also need a mixing bowl, preferably one with a lid, a measuring cup, a spoon to mix with, something with which to spread them. The back of a spoon actually works better than a knife. And some baking paper. Make sure it's baking paper and not wax paper. And yes, I reuse my old papers. Then you also need a food dehydrator. If you don't have one, you can use the oven or an oven-style air fryer. So let's get started. Measure of 1 cup of flax seeds. As I've said, I just like to add a spoonful or so of the golden flax seeds for some visual variance. Then for every cup of flax seeds, you need 1 cup of water. That really is all that you need, but I think today I'll somewhere add a spoonful of sesame seeds also to give some color difference in it. For today, as I mentioned, I'm going to add some flavorings, and I think this batch will be, let me see, garlic salt, rosemary and pepper, I think. Black pepper. Then mix everything together. Close your bowl and set it aside for an hour and a half to 2 hours. The reason these flaxseed crackers are so versatile is they do not have any of the main allergens, like they're gluten-free, dairy-free, they're vegan, low-carb, suitable for most elimination diets, paleo, keto. Have I missed any? They're very high in fiber, so the only people who shouldn't be eating them is those who have trouble processing fibers. Or, of course, if you have a specific allergy against flax seeds or linseeds. And voila, with the power of editing, an hour and a half to 2 hours has passed and you didn't have to wait and stare at the screen for that. As you can see, the mixture is now this gelatinous goo, and when it dries, this gelatinous glue retains its sticky qualities and basically sticks the flax seeds together, trapping your flavorings or any other additions in between. Which means what we now have to do is spread them out on the baking paper, ready for whatever method of drying you will use. Spreading them out is probably the part that takes the longest of your physical effort. Spread it approximately 1 to 2 seeds thick. If it becomes thicker, it will be much harder to dry. But if it is too thin, then if there's gaps between the seeds, then they will break there naturally. I just spread them and break them when they dry. So they're ready for the food dehydrator, because my food dehydrator is like, I don't know, 30 years old. It will need to dry overnight, but in the oven on low heat, it should be around 4 to 6 hours, depending on your appliance. And there they are, flaxseed crackers. You can see here and there where there's bald spots. There, you can see right through them now. That's probably where they break. If you wanted uniform crackers, then you can cut it halfway during the drying time, when it's dry enough to retain the shape, but not yet dry, so dry that it will crack. I don't. I like the rustic quirkiness of just breaking them into whichever shapes they would like to break into. But there they are. Your very own flaxseed crackers with very little work from you. Most of it is just waiting time. Until next time, have fun crafting.